In this video, I will show you how to make your own sticker in Snapchat. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Having opened up your Snapchat app, just like so, it's going to open up to camera section right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply snap. So click on the camera to snap. Once you snap right here, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then simply click on this particular icon right here, scissors icon. So click on it. Once you click on scissors icon, it's open up like so, and you want to make sure that you draw in the area that you want to make your sticker. Like for instance, I want to make my face as the sticker, just like so. Once you're satisfied, then you can see make a sticker. What you need to do next is go ahead and click on done. Now you have your sticker being created successfully. For you to have access to the sticker, go ahead and click on chat icon right here. Go ahead and click on message icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select any chat. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the emoji icon. Then you have access to your sticker that you just created from these sections right here. Just have to refresh. Then here you go. You have access to your sticker. You can use this as a custom sticker and send it to anyone in your chat. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Snapchat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.